Autopilot.
Off.
No steering.
On.
Propellers.
Say flight's out.
Checklist complete.
Rolling.
If you're down and confused and you don't remember who you're talking to, concentration slip away, because your baby is so far away. Well, there's a rose in a distant love, and the eagle flies with the dove. And if you can't be with the one you love, honey, love the one you're with. 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 Hear the pastor calling from Armageddon side, when everyone's talking and no one is listening. How can we decide?